Okay. So as you very well know that this is very important part for grammar, and this year it will definitely come because many things have been sorted out, right? Subject verb agreement, active passive has been omitted, as you know very well. Addition, omission might come, it is not possible. It can come because many chapters, as you know very well, that have been omitted, right? So addition, omission are the part, but they may come or not, we can't say. So we have to study, we have to go through this subject, verb and agreement. Subject and verb, they have an agreement between them, right? So we will discuss on that. Okay. So take out the copies and start writing. Firstly, we will have some hints on them, then we will start. Hints and notes. Subject and subject and verb have an agreement. Here the verb is called finite verb. It is called finite verb. And in my opinion, I have given the name to these verb 18 minus. They are 18 minus. What is 18 minus? You are all not adults. The adult age is 18 in our constitution, right? In our constitution, it is said that when we become 18, we will have many kind of privileges and advantages and rights also. But until we are 18, we are devoid of such kind of rights and privileges. So we are under the influence of our parents. Right now, you all are under the influence of your parents. Wherever they say, you go. Whatever they decide for you, you have to abide by, you have to follow this. But the moment you become 18 plus, you will get some privileges. You can be able to decide on your own. You will take your own decisions, right? So until then, we have to listen to our parents. In the same way, here also the verb listens to the rules created by the subject and verb altogether. Means they both together they form some rules and they follow. And especially who follows this rule? Verb. Verb follow करता है इस rule को. क्यों? क्योंकि वो influence में रहता है. When the verb is finite, it has to follow the rules of tenses. जब rule finite, जब verb finite होता है, तो it has to follow the rules created by the tenses or according to the rules of the tenses. Right? The verb has to be changed according to the rule and the position of the subject and the position of the subject. Written, everyone? Okay. Rule and the position of the subject. Okay. Now, we have to follow certain rules. We have to follow certain rules. To understand subject, verb and object. To follow the rules, what we have to do, now I will mention with numbers, right? So rule number 1, there are many rules, and according to the numbers we will study one after that. The first rule is, if subject is singular, if subject is singular in number, the verb must be singular. अगर हमारा सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर है, then verb must be singular. It cannot be plural, right? Example: Ram the guitar. So here the verb play or plays will be used. Please let me know क्या होगा यहाँ पे, play की plays. According to the rule, if the subject is singular, the verb must be singular. So what will be the subject? Play. Without s? How many are saying without s? How many are saying without s? Please raise your hands. कितने लोग कह रहे हैं कि ये वाला होगा और कितने लोग कह रहे हैं ये वाला होगा? बता दीजिए से. How many are saying? पहले ये वाला बताओ. How many are saying play? Raise your hands. You are in dilemma. अरे हाथ खड़ा करो या नीचे रखो, ऐसे करेंगे. अच्छा, तो क्यों प्ले, क्यों भाई प्ले क्यों, वाई प्ले? जल्दी जल्दी बताओ फिर आगे बढ़े. तो सिंगुलर है तो इसके लिए जब हमारा सिंपल प्रेजेंट, दिस इज सिंपल प्रेजेंट, राइट? व्हेन सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस इज देयर, सिट डाउन. व्हेन सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस इज देयर, दिस इज सिंगुलर, not this one. When simple tense is there, this s represent the singular form of the sentence. Sentence के subject का singular form is presented through this s word, s for singular. So when the simple tense is there, always remember, if the third person singular number is given, he, she, it or any naming word, we use verb first form plus ses. We use verb first form plus ses. Okay? If he, she, it or any name is given, we use ses. Verb. With verb, we use ses. That is the rule. Always. And if I, we, you, they is given. I, we, you, they is given. Then we use only first form. If the subject was I, then we would have used play. तब हमने इसको यूज किया होता अगर सब्जेक्ट आई होता. I, we, you, they first form. He, she, it or any name first form plus ses. So ses represents the singular form of the subject. So always remember जब भी हमारा ses होगा वो हमेशा सिंगुलर बता रहा होगा वर्ब में. इन द वर्ब. नाउन में होगा तो प्लूरल. When we add this s like pen and pens, so pens is plural because it is noun. तो उसीलिए आपने लगता है कि ऐसे बताया हुआ है ना, दैट इज नाउन बेटा. वो तो नाउन में ऐसा होता है कि एस लगाओगे तो प्लूरल होगा, लेकिन वर्ब में उल्टा हो जाता है. वर्ब में जब एस लगाएंगे तो सिंगुलर हो जाएगा. इफ आई से प्लीज, कम्स, सिट्स, इट इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग टू अ सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट. वो किसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा होगा? सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट को. हमेशा याद रखना है. आगे बढ़ो. So singular subject is given, then the verb will be singular, and plural subject is given, the verb will be plural. With plural subject, उसी रूल में है ये. हाँ, with plural subject the verb will be plural. Like we, come or comes here every day.
We come.
Then here. Okay, we come here every day. Okay everyone, now are you getting? Okay. So that was the rule number 1. Now we are coming on rule number 2. Have you written all? Rule number 2. Okay. In simple past tense. In simple past tense, we use verb second form in positive sentence. In positive sentence. But we use verb first form in negative. In negative sentence. Okay. In positive sentence we use first form. Sorry. In positive sentence we use second form. But in negative sentence we use first form. Okay. With did. Did not के साथ क्या लगता है? Verb first form like this. इस टेंस में बहुत ज्यादा गड़बड़ करते हैं सब लोग. Like she आपको ऐसे नहीं दिया रहेगा, आपको सिर्फ एक फॉर्म दिया रहेगा, दैट इज गो. गो दिया रहेगा, अब आपको यू हैव टू चेंज. राइट. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? She went. she, अब यहाँ पे सेंटेंस है she did not invited me.
Invited.
She did not invite or invited? Invited. अभी मैंने क्या बताया? Did not के साथ
First form है.
तो फिर क्यों invited से आ रहा है? That is the mistake. Negative and interrogative sentences never have the second form. Only and only there is one place where we use the verb second form, that is positive sentence of simple past. Simple past के positive sentence में second form लगता है. Otherwise in whole English there is no use of second form. Only first form, ing form, third form are used. Only in one place main verb second form is used, that is simple past positive sentence. Okay, apart from this we never use the verb second form. Okay, always remember, keep this in your mind. Okay. Now we talk about rule number 3. With some words or conjunctions, we follow the verb according to the first subject. According to the first subject. Suppose two subjects are given. So what we do? We use the verb according to the second subject. जब verb होता है वो किसके अकॉर्डिंग होता है? सेकंड सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग लगता है अगर दो verb होते हैं, दो subjects होते हैं. But sometimes with some word or with some conjunctions we use the verb according to the first subject, like this. Examples: he as well as his friends. Now what we have to do? According to the rule we had to use the verb according to the second subject. Second subject के according हमारा verb होना चाहिए था, but according to as well as we follow the first subject. इस as well as की वजह से हम पहले सब्जेक्ट को लेंगे. तो कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं जिनके लिए अभी मैं आपको एक शॉर्ट फॉर्मूला बता दूंगा. यू कैन लर्न. ही as well as his friends. नाउ अगर अभी नहीं बताया होता तो आप बोलते have gone. आप क्या बोलते हैं? have gone. क्योंकि दो सब्जेक्ट क्या बना देते हैं? Make the sentence plural. Right? Make the verb plural. Two subjects make the verb plural. जब दो subjects होते हैं तो verb क्या हो जाता है? Plural हो जाता है according to the rule. But this rule is denied here because of as well as. So as well as जब भी दिखेगा आपको, you have to follow the first subject. So he as well as his friends has gone. Okay? Not have gone. If the subject were like that, अगर sentence ऐसा होता, if sentence were like that, he and his friends तो फिर हो जाता have gone. ठीक है? लेकिन as well as की वजह से ये लिख लेना, समझाने के लिए मैंने लिखा. Because when we add two sentences with and, the verb become plural. अभी देखेंगे रूल में. हाँ, ये रूल थोड़ा मैंने पहले उठा लिया है, ये रूल थोड़ा आगे का है, as well as वाला. So इस तरह के there are many words which I am going to tell you in short. In short, you will be able to learn properly and very easily. Now, how many words are like that, I am telling you. Shall I erase this one? Like, as well as there are many other words where we follow the verb as the first subject, right? We see the first subject for our verb. So they are, in acronyms I am writing AWTARI, that is Avtari, right? That is called Avatari. Avatari means incarnative. When anything gets the incarnation of God, it is called Avatari. Avatari means क्या होता है in हिंदी? अवतार लेना, है ना? So Avatari girl. Some of you must be Avatari. है कोई Avatari? No. Okay, Avatari. In Avatari there are many words along with. A stands for along. W stands for with. T stands for together with. Together with. Okay. T stands for together with. Okay. A again, as well as. As well. R means rather. Rather than. Rather. And I in addition to. I means in addition. Okay. Now, gal I will write upside. Avtari gal. Avtari gal. G-A-L. Gal. Gal means it is the slang of girl. In Britain and America, when we say girl, sometimes we say gal, right? Governed by. Governed. Governed by. A for and not. And L for led by. So these many words, when they come, we follow the first subject. ये सारे वर्ड जब आपको दिखेंगे तो आपको क्या करना है? You have to follow subject. अब इसको ऐसे याद करना बहुत मुश्किल है, but when you keep in your mind Avtari girl, they will come in your mind. Okay, they will strike in your mind. हाँ, थोड़ा सा, ज़्यादा नहीं. नहीं, कुछ नहीं मेहनत करनी. You have to see only 1 or 2 times. They will come. अब इसमें 2-3 वर्ड हैं जो ज़्यादा आते हैं. I am telling you. As well as, okay, together with, in addition to, and rather than, and not. This ये वर्ड ज़्यादा आते हैं. And not वाला, and not कहाँ गया? And not ऊपर. And not, ठीक है? Together with, in addition to, and as well as or along.
Sir,
rather भी है, ठीक है? ज़्यादा आपको as well as ही दिखेगा. आप तक के स्टैंडर्ड 10th के स्टैंडर्ड तक में अगर सब्जेक्ट वर्ब अग्रीमेंट दिया जाता है तो ये 2-3 वर्ड ही हैं जो मैंने अभी मार्क किए हैं. देखना, इसके अलावा भी और है वर्ड्स, बट आई एम नॉट गिविंग यू, राइट? कुछ और वर्ड भी हैं, बट आई एम नॉट गिविंग यू बिकॉज दे आर इनफ. These kind of word come in the competition, in the competitive level. When you go for the competitive level, you have to go through them and you have to learn all the things, right? So it is very easy to understand through the acronyms. This is called acronym. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Acronym.